My name is Hans Rimmer. I'm in charge of making all the sounds in Call of Duty Warzone. Me and my expert team put our hearts and soul into this, down through every single footstep you have ever heard.
You doing it?
Well, really, it's just me and my brother Lars. We have a secret behind the footsteps to where you can only hear them half the time. What you need to know about the Warzone is that not all sounds are what they seem. I went to the German School of the Arts and studied under my professor.
I see one! Enemy soldier incoming!
Anything you can think of, we create.